Smile.
Hey guys, my name's Ibrahim. I have a Lenovo X230 here, and I'm going to show you how to install a backlit keyboard, or any keyboard, even a replacement in case your one broke or whatever. I'm going to put a link in the description to all the compatible keyboards which are going to work with your Lenovo Thinkpad, depending whatever model it is. And right now I'm going to boot the computer and show you the Thinklight, which is going to work if you have a non-backlit keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to boot it now and show you how it works with a non-backlit keyboard. So even before login or putting your password in, you can turn the Thinklight on. Quite helpful if you want to log in. And I'm going to turn it off now. And I'm going to show you how to replace the keyboard. Okay, so there's two screws here. There's this one and this one. These are the only two screws we need to remove. So I'm going to remove them now. Helps to have a magnetic screwdriver. Okay, and then flip it back over. Open her up. Now to get the keyboard out, it's very simple. You just push the whole keyboard forwards. And you see it pop up like that a little bit. Even if it doesn't, just push it forward a bit and wedge it up a bit. Now you notice there's a ribbon here connecting the keyboard on. Literally just pull it off. Done. And you can see the connector there. It's very simple. I'm going to put this keyboard away now. That's the non-backlit one. And this is my backlit keyboard. Looks identical. Same thing. Just feel around for it. It will pop back in very easily. It's actually quite difficult to damage these, even though they look super flimsy. There you go. You'll hear a little click when it's in. Now, you get the keyboard. This top edge is going to tuck in to this thing here. And excuse how dirty my laptop is right now. I do smoke on top of it. As you can see, it's popped in very well. Push it down and pull it. There you go. You hear a little popping noise usually from one of these corners. That means it's in now. Close the keyboard, turn it around, and reinsert those two screws. Now, if you notice that the two screws are not, they keep spinning forever, apply a bit of pressure from the keyboard behind it. Luckily, my keyboard's quite a good fit, so that's done. We'll flip it over again. We'll boot it. And you'll notice straight away the backlit is the backlight is working. And now, if you press the function spacebar, you get low light, press it again, you get a more intense light, press it the third time, and your Thinklight will turn on. So yeah, that's the basic procedure, everything's done. Anytime you want to replace the keyboard, just follow the video, do that, end of story.